We're here at the Type S garage to install the ultrasonic backup camera on your ride. Inside the box, you'll find your camera integrated into a license plate frame. It comes with built-in solar panels, so there's no need to hardwire it to any power source. The camera will automatically recharge itself anytime the panels are in the sunlight. The ultrasonic sensors are adjustable, so no matter where your license plate is mounted, it'll work for you. And finally, there's the dashboard monitor. The entire setup takes only 5 minutes to install, basically plug and play. But before we get started, go ahead and give it a charge for about an hour with the provided micro USB cable. First, we'll take our camera frame and line it with the existing holes on our license. If the holes match, you should be good to go and can use the existing bolts. If not, we'll need to make an adjustment. Depending on the vehicle, you can either raise or lower the frame using these adjustable mounting brackets. Now we'll install the dashboard monitor using the provided suction cup. First, clean the area with a microfiber towel. The monitor can be powered by a 12-volt outlet or a micro USB cable. All right, let's start up our car and it's gonna turn on our backup camera. Every vehicle is different, but you're able to adjust your camera and sensor angles to whatever best meets your needs. All right, let's go try it out. With a wave of a hand, you can wake up your monitor whenever you need it, and 30 seconds later, it'll go back to sleep. And just like that, we did it. Now we got a backup camera. Type S also offers an add-on front camera, so now you can see the rear view and the front view. Repeat the same steps: charge, pair, and install. To pair the front camera, hold the button underneath the camera until the blue light flashes. And then on your monitor, go to Menu, and then Pair Camera, and then select Front Camera. Finally, if your image is mirrored, you can easily flip it in the settings. There you have it. Took only 5 minutes and you got a backup camera. Find out more at typesauto.com.